Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 4.6 question number 2. A. Is every diameter of a circle also a chord? And question number B. Is every chord of a circle also a diameter? Let us first draw one circle. Suppose this is a circle. Right? Now this is the center of the circle. Right? Now is every diameter of a circle also a chord? What is chord? If we take 2 points on the circumference of a circle and join it, this is a chord, right? If we join this one, this is a chord. Now if we increase the length of the chord, what we are getting, you see that if we increasing the length of the chord, once there is a time when the chord passes through the center of the circle, right? This is point O, that is center of the circle. When the chord passes through the center of the circle, that is the diameter, right? That is the diameter. That is the diameter. Right? That means we can say that is every diameter of a circle also a chord? Yes. And that is the longest chord. Right? We can say question number A. We can say that. What is the question? Question is every diameter of a circle also a chord? Yes. Every diameter of a circle is a chord. Every diameter of a circle is a chord. Every diameter of a circle every diameter of a circle is a chord, and we found here that diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Diameter is the longest chord. Diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Is the longest chord of a circle. Right? Diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Question number B. Is every chord of a circle also a diameter? Suppose this is a circle. This is the center of the circle. Suppose this is a chord. Is it a diameter? No. The chord will be a diameter when it passes through the center of the circle. That means, is every chord of a circle also a diameter? The answer is no. Question number B. Is every chord of a circle also a diameter? No. The answer is no. Every chord of a circle is not a diameter. Not a diameter. But if the chord passes through the center of the circle, then it is the diameter, right? That means we can say that is every diameter of a circle also a chord? Yes, every diameter of a circle is a chord, and diameter is the longest chord of a circle. And the chord, when the chord passes through the center of the circle, that is the diameter, right? Question B. Is every chord of a circle also a diameter? No, every chord of a circle is not a diameter. For example, this is a circle. This is the center. If we take one chord like this is not the diameter. This will be diameter when the chord passes only through the center of the circle, only then it is a diameter. Therefore, the answer is no. Every chord of a circle is not a diameter.